Imperfect Mellow by Susie. To the airport, and it was a hot mess.
And then it was raining.
Oh yeah, it was raining. There was thunder, and Emma was scared for a little bit. She was like, "Is our plane gonna crash?" And I was just kind of like, "Well, don't say that."
So I was having a dream, and I have a Denver dream.
So then we go through security, and they make me take my shoes off and everything, and then
I didn't take off my shoe.
Yeah, they didn't make her take her shoes off. And then we're going through security. I put my jacket down, which is like a denim jacket. And tell me why I went after this lady who had a black rain jacket, thinking that it was my jacket, but my jacket was in my luggage. And so I literally chased after her and I said, "Hey, that's my jacket." And she actually gave it to me.
Yeah.
And then I realized, like, wait a minute, this is not my jacket. And so I literally ran barefoot across the airport to give her jacket back.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, Emma's like trying to get all the luggage from the little luggage area, and it was just a hot mess.
Yeah, I do like this.
We made it to Atlanta. And it is cold over here. She did a really good job. I think it's like 6 in the morning right now, and our next flight doesn't take off until around 8:15. So we're just gonna sit here and wait for 2 hours. Nothing's open, so I can't get snacks or coffee. So we're just gonna wait.
I can't get chips.
So they changed our freaking terminal last minute. So now we're going back on the airport train to the new terminal. We made it. We got our rental car and we're driving to our hotel finally so we could rest. Oh baby. We are so tired. I feel so bad because she has little raccoon eyes. We finally made it to the hotel room. The drive here from the airport was 30 minutes.
Yeah, because I was super tired. And I sleep in the car.
We got a rental car. So that was nice just to kind of drive along the river to get here. We got to the hotel, which is pretty nice. There's like a lot of greenery. And we're like right in front of the, let me show you guys. We are right in front of the Niagara River. So that's really pretty. So we're staying at the DoubleTree by Hilton in Niagara Falls. So yeah, that was our little vacation to come see the Niagara Falls and take the boat tour and do all of the fun stuff. I'm not sure if I like this hotel though. The bed feels a little weird. It feels like And like if it's like an inflatable mattress, like it's kind of weird. And not only that, but I'm like usually super picky when it comes to hotels. Like I don't know, like I just don't want like any bed bugs. I don't want anything, you know, I don't know. So I'm the type of person that like always checks the mattresses like as soon as we get to the hotel, like check underneath the mattress, check like just to make sure that there's no bed bugs and things like that. Like I brought my own little like cover thing to put on the mattress, and I don't know, like it just feels kind of icky, like just sleeping somewhere that isn't your own space in your own room. And not to mention, they did like a really bad job with housekeeping. And so when we got here, first of all, there's no security lock on the door, it's broken. And so that is, yeah, first red flag. Second, the floor was wet when we walked in. So, I mean, I guess they had just mopped the floor, so it was still a little wet. And then Emma found a cup of coffee on the windowsill of the room. Huh. So there was like a used cup of coffee. And then last but not least, we have a mini fridge in the room. And there's freaking 2 big containers of yogurt in there, probably from the person that stayed here before us, and so they didn't even bother to look in the fridge and clean it out. So now I'm thinking like they probably didn't even clean the bed. They probably, you know, so I don't know, but that's just me. Let me know if you guys are the same when it comes to hotel rooms.
You want yogurt?
We finally got some, wait, is this zoomed in? Oh, it was. We finally got some food after 24 hours. Burgers. So we got a quick shower in, and then we decided to come walk to the falls because apparently they have like a fireworks show, and they also have like an illuminated show where they illuminate the falls like in different colors. So we came out here and parked, but there's nobody else here. So now it's just like a creepy walk down the street to see if this is real. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh my God.
Get in the car.
We're going. Take 2, our battery just died, so we have to run up to the room again. But it's I don't even know what day it is. We had a late start. We woke up pretty late today. I think we needed to catch up on sleep just from all the flights and everything, but we're gonna go get some lunch, and then we're gonna go take some pictures and hopefully go see the falls. Just do some of the little hikes.
Yeah.
What is it? Hi everyone. So we are literally soaking wet. It's been raining on and off, and then plus when you get close to the waterfalls, it starts getting super wet. Hi everyone. So we're at the Bridal Falls portion of the falls. It's absolutely stunning. Look at the river back there.
Current was the way of the future. Tesla designs generators that can produce alternating current capable of being transmitted over long distances.
Our jacket's on, ready to go. Let's go get wet. Alright guys, we did it. We did the Cave of the Winds, and it was definitely worth the ticket. You have to check it out if you come down here. Literally like an outdoor shower. You get to stand right under the waterfall. It's amazing, honestly. I'm soaked wet, my shoes are squeaking, but it was pretty cool. We just finished eating some ice cream. We got a little humid, so our jackets are off, but we're still wet. Oh baby. And the sun is out, so we're gonna do one more round to go see the falls that we were looking at earlier in the morning when it was raining.
Wait.
And just see how the view looks with the sun shining out.
Hi guys.
We're back. It's our last day in Niagara Falls. And we are ready to go home, but before we go, we are gonna go check out the Maid of the Mist boat ride that takes us to the bottom of the falls. And so we're ready to get wet, we're ready to see the beautiful views and just chill out for the rest of the day. We have to go back home tomorrow, actually, tomorrow morning. So let's see how it goes. Here.
Wait. As we're going.
We made it. That was so much fun. We got super soaked and we got like really up close to the falls. Emma was scared. I think she was scared. She started crying. And all those people that were on that side.
Okay.